back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing you another day trading analysis on Bitcoin. We're gonna take a look at Chainlink today. We're gonna take a look at Quant as well. And Quant isn't stopping, guys. But what does it mean for us as day traders? I'm also gonna explain to you the winning strategy which showed itself. I told you in this area that you might want to take a look at shorts because we had some volume candles in this zone, and in this zone. And as you can see, the market maker took all of the liquidity to the downside. But where are we heading now? And is there some more imbalances in the chart? Let's take a look. Okay, so let's take a look at Bitcoin and what I told you last time. And that was that we were suspiciously trading in this area for a while. And as you know, the market maker completed two ways to the upside, and then he formed a double top formation up in this area, as you can see. And I built some shorts in this area above the 19,500. I average at 19,600, and I'm currently having my shorts open with a profit area in this zone right here at $377, $19,377, sorry. And as you can see, we had a volume candle in this area which has been taken, so let's delete that one. We had some volume candles in this area, and the market maker took it as well and headed down to 19,000 zone, and he took it as well. Okay, now we have to see if we have some more volume candles down below, and we do actually at the 19,030 zone, which was formed on Sunday, where we had a little pump to the upside. And we also have, if we take a look at the 1 hour time frame on Bitcoin, we have an imbalance in the chart at the 18.700 to 18.400 zone. We had a huge blue volume candle in this area, and it's likely that the market maker will move to this zone and grab the liquidity that is present to the downside. Also, we do have a structure going on here. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame to see it clearer. We had our top formation here. We had our first drop down. We had our first retrace, second drop down, and now we are in a last retrace where the market maker will move at least to 19k or heading even to the zone where there is a lot of liquidity for him to grab some money from the retail traders at the 18,600 zone approximately. I'm still currently in my short. I have my take profit or stop loss, if you want to call it that, at the 19,370 zone, but I'm gonna ride it out all the way down to 18,500 and take 150% profit from this short that I took in this area. Okay, so let's take a look at the liquidation map. It's been updated on kingfisher.io. I'm gonna show it to you how it works. Basically, all you have to do is to spin this button and you will get a liquidation map in this area if you get some coins. I currently have a lot of coins, but all you have to do is to spin it and you'll maybe get some coins added to your account, and that is where you can use it to get this liquidation map. And we still have quite low liquidation points in the chart right now. Mostly is currently sitting to the upside, so there is some short liquidations up to the 19,600 zone, but it's quite low. A lot of traders are scared or irritated, so the market might move either direction. But we have a huge liquidation point here at 17,500 and also at 16,500 as well. And I believe, I'm sorry to break it down to you, but I believe that the market maker will move there eventually, because there isn't a lot of interest to the upside and the macro environment is very bearish. So yeah, be prepared for some moves to the downside and buy some Bitcoin, Chainlink and Quant, for example. So let's head over to Chainlink, and Chainlink has been moved to the downside as well. As you can see, we took the imbalance in the chart, which I shown you last time I had a market update on Monday. So that has been removed. And as you can see, we still have a volume candle down at the 6.877 zone. And be careful, we might move there if Bitcoin moves down and shows that it has one leg down as well. To the upside then, we have a volume candle here which has been recovered. We have one here which hasn't been recovered. So let's mark it off in the chart if the market turns to the upside. That's where you can take some profit at 7.219 on Chainlink. And we also have this big zone of liquidity from 7.374 up to 7.65. But we are likely moving lower. We still also have some wicks down in this area, which shows an imbalance in the chart as well. A lot of interest and orders has been filled in this area, and the market maker might tend to move here one more time before reversing again. So yeah, take profit zones are 6.876 to the downside, and if you think it's a good idea to go long, you might want to take some profit at the 7.18 zone. Okay, so now I'm going to take a look at Quant on the 1 hour time frame. And I told you that I was interested in placing some shorts last time we spoke on Monday. And I placed some shorts in this area when I saw this wick. On the lower time frame, I saw that we had some huge interest in this side and the market maker stopped the volume from going higher. That's when I placed my shorts, when this candle closed at $217. And I've been riding this short and I haven't closed it yet. Because I believe this move to the upside in the recent week has been too quick, and I think it's unsustainable, and the market maker will have to take some profit at some point, and I believe he's going to do that in the coming days. And the first target I gave you at $184 has been met, so let's remove that. We also have taken some of the liquidity and the imbalance in the chart at 170. We still have some imbalance left for the market maker to take. And then we have the big boy down here at 138 all the way up to 150. And I'm expecting the market maker to move the price in this area, and that is where it will take some nice profits. And I encourage you to take profits all the time, or set a stop loss in profit if you ride out the shorts. So I'm expecting more moves to the downside for Quant. So in conclusion then, for this market update, I told you that Quant has been moving aggressively to the upside and that what goes up must come down. And it looks like to me that Quant is starting its reversal to the downside. We might have one more pump up before going down even lower to my targets that I projected and showed you in this video. So stay tuned for that. Keep an eye out. If you missed your chance to place some shorts in the 200 zone, it might move there one more time before going lower. But it all depends on what Bitcoin does the coming days. Second point is that we have a lot of volume candles in the chart for Bitcoin, and that shows you where this destination is. It will recover those points at some time. So you have this destination, so it's for you to figure out when we're gonna move there and how quick. So that gives you an indication where you might want to take some profits as well. This strategy has been working fine for me, and it's made me a profitable trader. So use the PVSRA tool and put the volume candles in the chart and see where the zones are, because they always get recovered at some point. Okay, so the third point is that we still have the Shemitah crash window up until November 8th. There's a lot of talk about a black swan event coming this coming weeks, and we have a lot of things going on between Russia and Ukraine and China and Taiwan. So you might wanna be careful placing longs, because I think we do have one more event which will cause the inflation to stop, because people are still spending money like crazy and the inflation is going higher and higher, and Fed hasn't been able to stop the inflation. So be careful. That was it for today. I will give you another market update on Friday, and we're gonna have a look at the charts. Until then, like and subscribe. See you soon. Big Boss out.